Yes.
Yeah.
Sir, if a customer buy vehicle loans for what are the differences between for purchase a vehicle loan for commercial purposes and what are the documents required for personal purposes?
No. Commercial purposes, there is no, except that they will ask him to get a taxi license or automobile license. If it is an auto or bus, if it is a bus, then they will ask for a route permit. Understand? They will ask for route permit. If he
Yes,
is
sir.
buying only for personal use, there is no problem. Sometimes they may insist on the driving license, but even if driving license is not there, he can always engage a driver and get it run. But of course, banks do insist on driving license from the persons. Okay,
Sir, for
especially
any sir, for commercial purposes or
commercial,
for
no,
personal?
even personal. Even you go and buy
Sir,
a vehicle, supposing you are buying for yourself, they will ask a driving license for you. If you are telling, no, I am buying for my son, they will ask a driving license in the name of your son at least. You understand? Yeah.
yes, sir. Sir, there is no difference in document between commercial purposes and personal purposes.
No, I told you, in the case of
Okay.
commercial, they will ask for the permit or license. And
Okay. Sir.
only difference is, in the case of commercial vehicle, they will have to go for fitness checkup every once in a year or 2 years, depending on the state where it is running, depending on whether it is a taxi or an auto rickshaw and all. I understand in Tamil Nadu, auto rickshaws have to be um, fitness certificate to be issued once in 2 years up to 5 years. After 5 years, I think they say it should be done every year. Every year you must do fitness certificate from the regional transport authority. In the case of housing loan, when we buy, we will get a title deeds as our ownership document. But in the case of cars and auto scooters, we will get an RC book. Do you follow? Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
that much for vehicle loan. Then personal loan, there is not much of a problem. Personal loan, no security. In the case of housing loan, house is given as mortgage. In the case of car loan, car is given as hypothecation. And in the case of gold loan, the gold is given to bank under pledge. See, hypothecation means the possession will continue to be with the borrower. And if it is pledge, the possession will come into the hands of the banker. That is correct. Next question is personal loan. Personal loan means each bank will have, as I told you, some standard table. If one's salary or income is this much, we can take personal loan up to this much to be repaid within so many months. So accordingly, they will go through the documents, then application form will be taken and the limit will be granted. And in the case of personal loan, no security is taken. I'm not sure whether they take some additional security in case of this thing. Not normally, they don't insist because it is less, not a big amount. I don't know what is the maximum amount they are telling. Let us see here. In the case of our personal loan, quantum of finance, please see here. 10 times of average gross monthly income of the last 2 years with a maximum of rupees 5 lakh. Security, oh, they are asking suitable third party guarantee other than close relative acceptable to bank, having minimum gross annual income of rupees 6 lakhs for the last 2 years. CIC score of guarantor will be minimum 650. Civil score must be 650. Repayment, they are allowing 60 months up to 65 years. Prepayment charges nil. Rate of interest, you have to see how much it is. Rate of interest, how much is that? For loan above 30 lakh, for irrespective of loan amount, loan to value ratio, then I think we have to check up here down. Home loan. Oh, so many things, everything they have given here. Please check up whatever is the loan to be given, that much is to be taken. And the recovery is done. Normally what they do, they ask the employed person to open a savings account. They will take a standing instruction from him for transferring of the amount from the SP account to the loan account. So that much is okay. Gold loan, in the case of gold loan, the party has to fulfill KYC formalities, gold loan application, then he has to bring the jewel. You cannot give as security the gold bar and all that. Biscuits, gold biscuits, no. You have to give a jewel. And they will check up whether it is 18 karat gold or 22 karat gold. Then it will be appraised by the gold loan, jewel loan appraiser. The officer also will counter check that. Then the loan will be granted up to the limit prescribed by the respective bank, and the interest rate charged as per their card rates. Then next one is education loans. Anybody has availed education loan? Here, anybody has availed education loan?
No, sir.
Nobody has availed. Nobody has availed. If you have availed education loan and all, the installment should not be in arrears. If it is in arrears, your CIBIL score will come down. That may create problem in your getting the job. Please take care of that. So these are the objectives for which the loan is given, and purpose fee for these purposes loan is given. Fee payable, examination fees, insurance premium for student borrower, caution deposit, purchase of books, purchase of computer, any other expense. Then eligibility should be a resident Indian, should have secured admission to a higher education. Cases of management quota can be considered on merit basis. Quantum of finance, need-based finance, subject to margin as per guidelines. Reimbursement of fees paid within 6 months may be permitted on individuals. See, maximum, I think in the case of education for within India, what is the maximum? Anybody knows?
20 lakhs, sir.
Even within India, previously it was
It's
10 lakhs and 20
10
lakhs.
Previously 10. Yes, sir.
10 lakhs, right?
Now it is
has been
20.
changed.
Now it is
Yes, sir.
20. Okay, good. Then they are asking margin. Margin up to rupees 4 lakhs nil. Above 4 lakhs, 5% to be borne by you. Scholarship or assistantship may be considered in margin. Margin may be brought in year to year basis. Security up to rupees 7.5 lakhs, parents or guardian made as joint borrower. No tangible security up to 7.5 lakhs. And No third party guarantee is required. Above 7.5 lakh, parents or guardian to be joint borrower, then tangible collateral security for suitable value, house property to be taken. Repayment maximum up to 15 years after completion of degree. 1 year holiday they may give. 1 year holiday they are giving. Prepayment charges nil. Rate of interest they would have given. Processing charges are there for this. Oh, if there are processing charges, they will take this also. So these are the different types of loans you must be familiar with when you go for the interview. Tomorrow, maybe we will discuss about MSME, some points, agriculture, some points and all. We will discuss about them. Similarly, if time permits, you can go through government business, financial inclusion, and the priority sector also. Later on, we will go through e-services means what, then NRI, what are the things available, then economic scenario. This is also worth going through. What are they telling in this economic scenario? Economy, acha Baba. I think you are all aware of the eco lens. I think I have also given in the credit officer folder. So that the paper to be read. If there is anything interesting in that, maybe latest one at least we should go through and get to remember about it. Punjab National Bank, May 2024. Yeah. Biometrics, blockchain, classroom production, possibility of frontier. I don't know what it is. Daily economic indicators, monthly, fortnightly indicators. These things you can read because they may ask in the interview what is inflation, this, that, and all. Purchasing managers index. This is too much above our perception. Quarterly economic indicators. I mean, such of those MBA people and all, it is better you know about it. Better you get to know about all these things. Yeah. Only this much. I request you to study this tomorrow and come. Tomorrow when I come here, I will just go to some page and from there I may ask a question to you and it will help you to know whether you are remembering it. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people. 6 only are there. Very good. Thank you so much. Best wishes. Maybe tomorrow, no class. Sunday, na? No class. No, tomorrow. And Monday, as it is, I have allotted time for 8. We will have it as 8:30. 8:30 p.m. because there will be more demand for that. Other interviews. And in the meantime, others, those who need interview, first mock interview, you can take one after reading for 2 or 3 days, 4 days. Then so that you will know what problems are you facing while answering questions. So that way, and the second mock can be taken by you 3 or 4 days before the real interview date. I am asking you to take 2 or 3 or 4 days because sometimes what happens due to power cut, due to some problem, I am not able to take the interview. It may get postponed. And if you are going to have it as the last date, you may have problem. And sometimes in the last date, people do travel to other place. So that is also a reason. Thank you so much. Any questions? Reddy Swati, Jeevita, Hari Sankar. I think these are all new people who have come.
Yeah,
Correct.
sir. I was late joining. I have entered the classroom at 8:45. So I was in confusion. What was the earlier session
I will
taken?
post it. I will give the video.
Yeah, thank you, sir. And
Sometimes
huh,
yesterday I forgot to record the class. That was a problem. Today it is recorded.
yeah. Thank you, sir. And one more doubt, sir. Sir, when can be the interview can
You
possible
can
date?
decide. You can decide. For me, I am free from. Let us concentrate on this year. I am free from 11th, you leave it. 5th, 12th, I am free. 12th, 13, 14, and all I am free. You can decide.
Yes,
Hello.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You decide about 2 or 3 days beforehand and ask for it. Then I will do. You know, I am in Canada. So mostly I will conduct it in the evenings only. But if you are a working guy, you cannot take it during evenings, then I will conduct in the morning. Okay.
Yes,
In fact,
yes, sir.
yeah, I will conduct in the morning also because some people I have arranged like that. Yeah. So 1 minute. Tomorrow, what? Tomorrow is Sunday, 9th. No, tomorrow is Sunday, 9th. 9th. I think. Yeah. No class tomorrow. Thank you. Anybody else? Any questions? And I would request you to go through the credit officer interview questions because that is how they are asking. Accordingly, keeping that in mind, you start preparing. Besides preparing for questions relating to your native place, relating to your college, relating to yourself, your family, then your native place, important people, important persons, places to be visited like that. Okay. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Sir, one more thing, sir. Is there any other documents regarding the technical topics like credit, like that?
I have given you lot of topics. You don't have time to read all that. There is one book I have given you, Certified Credit Professional. That is page book number 107. If you can't understand, you ask friends in the group. They will try to refer and give you the link for that also. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
So
Yes.
that one book will do. Apart from that, the website of your Punjab National Bank. Please go through that. And above all, I think I have given you some more materials like promotion material and all. But where is the time for you to read? Where is the
No,
time?
sir, I have not received it yet.
It is there, Baba. Acha, acha. Maybe you joined just now, na?
Yeah. I just
You
joined now.
you will get it. You will get it. I think your
Yeah.
number is 94964, na?
Yeah. That's it.
No problem. I have noted your number. I will send you
Yeah.
after this class.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Okay, bye. Bye, sir.